Imagine a world where dealing with company regulations is as easy as clicking a few buttons. That's the world the SECP, or Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan, is creating with its new online platform, eZfile. It's like your personal assistant for all things SECP, making compliance simpler and faster. The SECP is on a mission to bring its services into the digital age. They're replacing their old eServices portal with the more modern and user-friendly eZfile for most company compliance procedures. This is a big step towards making life easier for businesses and individuals in Pakistan. The launch of eZfile is happening in stages. Phase 1B started in February 2024, and more features and services will be added in future phases. It's an exciting time for anyone who has to deal with the SECP. In this blog post, we'll take you on a tour of the SECP's eZfile portal. We'll explore what it is, how it works, and the benefits it brings. We'll also dive into the specifics of Phase 1B, showing you what you can do on the platform right now. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how eZfile can make your life easier and help you stay compliant with SECP regulations. When did eZfile launch? Phase 1A, this was launched back in 2023, but it was only for limited liability partnerships, LLPs. Phase 1B, the big launch for most companies, happened in February 2024. This is when eZfile really started to replace the old eServices portal. Future phases, there's more to come. The SECP has plans for Phase 2A and Phase 2B, which will add even more features and services to eZfile. Meet Leap, eZfile's new name. eZfile has a cool new name, Leap, which stands for Leading Efficiency Through Automation Prowess. It's a fitting name because Leap is all about making things faster and easier for you. What's different about Leap compared to eServices? It's more user-friendly. Leap is designed to be easy to navigate, even if you're not a tech expert. It's got better features. Leap has improved tools to help you file your compliance returns and other documents. It's more efficient. Leap automates many tasks, saving you time and effort. In short, Leap is a major upgrade from the old eServices portal. It's a clear sign that the SECP is committed to making compliance as simple and straightforward as possible. Which companies are covered? Phase 1B of eZfile is open to most types of companies, including public companies, private companies, single-member companies, trade organizations, companies under Section 42, not-for-profit, and companies under Section 45. What tasks can you do on eZfile in Phase 1B? Well, you can reserve a name for your company, either combined with other steps or separately. You can incorporate your company, which means registering it officially. You can change your company's registered address, whether it's within the same city, a different city in the same province, or even a different province. You can file your company's annual audited accounts and beneficial ownership declarations. You can make changes to your directors or officers, like adding new ones, removing old ones, or updating their information. You can file special resolutions, which are decisions made by your company's shareholders. You can increase your company's authorized capital, the maximum amount of money it can raise. You can make changes to your company's shares, like issuing new shares, changing voting rights, or transferring large chunks of shares. And you can submit your UBO, or Ultimate Beneficial Owner Declaration, which is information about who really owns and controls your company. Some things are still on the old eServices portal. Even though eZfile is great, it doesn't have everything yet. Some processes are still only available on the old eServices portal. These include mortgages and charges. If you need to borrow money using your company's assets as collateral, you'll still need to use eServices for now. Foreign companies. Anything related to setting up or managing a foreign company in Pakistan is still handled on eServices. Company Easy Exit. If you need to close down your company quickly and easily, you'll need to use eServices for the Easy Exit scheme. Winding up. The formal process of closing down a company, or winding up, is also still on eServices. Regulatory approvals and licensing. If you need any special permissions or licenses from the SECP, you'll need to apply through eServices. How to access eServices from eZfile. Don't worry, you don't need to remember two different logins. You can access the old eServices portal directly from eZfile. Just look for a button or link that says something like Switch to eServices and it will open in a new tab. Remember, eZfile is still growing, so more and more processes will be added in the future. Keep an eye out for updates from the SECP. What's coming soon to eZfile? Phase 2A, more features on the way. The SECP is working hard to add even more services to eZfile. In the next phase, Phase 2A, you can expect to see things like mortgages and charges. You'll be able to handle all your accompanying and collateral needs directly on the eZfile. Foreign company filings. If you're dealing with a foreign company in Pakistan, you'll be able to manage its filings and compliance through eZfile as well. Phase 2B, even more advanced features. Looking further ahead, Phase 2B will bring even more advanced features to eZfile. This phase will focus on things like supervision. The SECP will be able to monitor and supervise companies more effectively through eZfile. Adjudication and litigation. If there are any disputes or legal issues, they can be handled through the platform. Enforcement. The SECP will be able to take action against companies that don't comply with the rules, all through eZfile. With each new phase, eZfile is becoming a more powerful and comprehensive tool for businesses and individuals in Pakistan. It's truly the future of SECP compliance. The SECP's eZfile portal is a game changer for businesses in Pakistan. It's making compliance easier, faster, and more efficient than ever before. With its user-friendly interface, powerful features, and commitment to data security, eZfile is truly the future of company management in Pakistan. As the SECP continues to roll out new phases of eZfile, it's important to stay informed about the latest updates and features. By embracing this digital transformation, you can streamline your compliance processes, save time and resources, and focus on what really matters, growing your business. If you have any questions or need further guidance on using eZfile, don't hesitate to reach out to the SECP or seek professional advice. They're there to help you navigate this exciting new digital landscape.